Hi, let's play basketball. Let's play basketball, guys. So, ito yung pininang son ko. Tapos, ayan, pinagpatuloy ko na lang, guys.
Okay na, ma?
Not yet, anak. Para lumaki yung score.
Wave your hand.
Ayan, guys.
Brush
Hindi
your
tayo
hand.
nakakapag-shoot.
While you clap your
Ay, naku po. Ang hirap naman pala nito. Oh. Wow. You know how to wash your hand? Chai. Good job.
Up here.
Ayan, guys. 193. Score natin. Ayan. Ayan. Oh. Wait. Oh. Tapos biglang tataas siya, guys. Or di kaya bababa siya. Sa side naman siya or sa gitna. Depende lang sa ano niya. Ay, linaluan tayo ng ring na to, guys. Ang likot ng ring natin. Living steady. Steady. Whoa. This is it, guys. 200 points. Kaso hindi na tayo nakapuntos. Masyadong... Kaya magpa-online ka man dahil nawari man yan na kurinti. Kaya wari man signal didi. Wari man na dito. Dita? Wala. La. Oo, usahay anak, shoot, usahay dili.
Maguyag lang ikaw?
No. Don't go there, ate, no? Dili pwede mo laag. We'll just stay here. So, obet, wala pa man mo gingkuhang gasol. Ang gasol, ikat to nabuhan. Kadelikado mga bata, day. Ang gasol. Ingat to abuhan, dapit, tay larom. Ay, tay, nayala. Kay kumparada to didan mga bata. Delikado.
At pa?
Anak. So, this is it, guys. Shoot natin to, guys. Oh. Hinahabol natin yung ring. Tapos, pumunta naman siya sa side. Oh. Hindi natin tamaan. Puma-down na naman siya, guys. Ay, 220 pa lang. Oh, no. Uy! Dahan-dahan lang kayo, guys. Dahan-dahan lang kayo, guys. Ba't may tubig kayo dyan? Dong. Ang tubig dong, ha?
Ma, balik ka, ma.
Oo, ball.
Ah,
Basketball.
ba?
Basketball. I-shoot mo na ang ball. Ang sarap ang basketball.
Alright.
Yep.
Bala.
Yay. Nak, may klase na ugma, di ba? Ngon ko, pag may klase, asaban mo sleep pag may klase. Naamang good. Pag tula, be, unsa to'y man tula na?
Agtula. Ang akin Waray ako to. Waray ako to. Ay aking pamilya. Ay lang. Ay sawa. Tama. Ini. Simuta.
Wow, good job, anak. Oops. Oops. No bad words, just good words. No chai. You want to play?
Ngano? Wala. Ton.
Yep, because I really, you know.
Astig ka mo basketball?
Astig. 2 for 3.
Get out!
And who win?
You!
Wow.
No!
I'm the winner, kuya.
Yeah? The
Oh.
basketball player is the winner.
Yeah.
It win is Mama.
Wow, Mama win. Mama wins.
The win is me.
Mama is the winner, as what Kuya Liam said.
Ako lang, wala pa ako.
It's already 2:52, and of course, still enjoying the game. Sometimes we shoot it, sometimes not. We can do it, guys. Chan charan, charan, charan. What's happening? Oh, you know it very well. Wow. So what's matter? Oh. Happy birthday to you. Birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Everyone. Oh no, medyo hindi na tayo nakatama ah. Tonight. I will just play until 10 minutes. Kasi guys, walang kuryente dito ngayon. So, ito muna. Saglit. I don't know kung ilan lang yung points natin until 10 minutes na pagpa-play. Or it could be 13, I guess. 13 minutes. Okay, let us try to play this game, guys. Wow. Though a deer, a female deer, or a drop of golden sun, me a name I call myself, for a long way to run.
Mama, saan kami magkaada kuryente?
Later. Mamaya pa na. Pag dark. But we don't know if the internet connection will be okay that time. Oo. They're working. Electricians are working the vehicle. They're working. Repairing. Something like that, anak. They're busy too. They are busy, very busy. Oh, ilan kaya yung price natin hanggang 13 minutes, guys? So, 13 minutes na lang yung final natin. I don't know kung ano tayo, line of 4 ba? Masyadong mahirap, guys. Para hindi ko line of 4.
Mapapalit? Duha? Utak lang. Bayad dapat. And yung pasang number, then ang tinuod.
So, ayun na nga, guys. Ito na lang yung minutes natin. Tapos nalubat na. Oh, no. Hindi na tayo nakakapag-points. 1 minute more, guys. Parang magkakatotoo na yun, sabi ko. Hindi ko talaga makakuha yung line of 4. Kasi nahihirapan ako mag-shoot. Tsaka matagal na nagpa-function yung ano ko, guys. Phone. Baka napagod na rin. Pero guys. Oh no. Parang ayaw niya na, guys. Ay, naku. By 3:20 na lang sana. Oh, 3:20. Oh. Okay. Target 3:20. So, ayun nga lang, guys. Yung nakayanan natin. So, within 30 minutes, yan lang po yung na-shoot natin. 325. So, that's it, guys. Bye-bye.